Hi, I'm Stephen Dorff. You're watching LifeMinute TV. You know, I feel like I'm excited to see what this one's like tonight. Yeah, it's definitely not a small indie, two people talking in a room, you know, boy meets girl Sundance movie. This is rock and roll.
Eddie had given me a couple of reference movies to watch, so I watched those, and just I think tried to lean into like the sci-fi, outworldly aspect of the movie.
And pulled things out from my library that I thought would fit. Then I went in after that and Taylor made stuff to fit certain scenes. Then I went back a third time with orchestral stuff and really got into the cracks and wrote things to just bring the mood out, you know.
Never age physically again. True immortality.
Kept dialing it in till we got what we needed.
Eddie is super collaborative in his filmmaking, and so is the cast and the crew. It was a really cool experience to be able to collaborate and him like trust my process and him trust me to be a part of his film.
Just talking a lot to Eddie, our director, about what it would be like. It was physically demanding as well. Jiu-jitsu and the heat, and it was very difficult.
I liked all the challenges, but yeah, I'm basically in body-colored spandex shorts through the whole movie. At one point had 42 pounds of prosthetics hanging off the left side of my head, and that was not comfortable. I wasn't in the greatest mood probably while making it, but I think we made a cool movie.
My dream is for the future of this planet